Data science jobs are slated to increase by 28% by 2026 according to the Forbes. This is great news for data science aspirants. If you want to capitalize on this opportunity, this video is for you. In this latest video brought to you by Shiksha Study Abroad, we talk about MS in Data Science in US, the courses offered, the eligibility criteria, tuition fee, and most important, growth opportunities and scope for growth that this program has to offer. For starters, you need to have a 4 years bachelor's degree in computer science, statistics, economics or engineering with a minimum GPA of 3 out of 4 in order to just be eligible for this program. As you might already know, that admission to any program in US is based on not just your academic scores, you will also need to have an impressive statement of purpose and letter of recommendation that give credence to your fitment for that course. You will also need GRE scores in the range of 280 to 310 ideally, work experience for 2 to 3 years, and an English language proficiency test score. This could be an IELTS 7 above or TOEFL 80 and above. Now let's look at what MS in DS can cost you. Tuition fees for US universities offering MS in Data Science can annually range from 37,000 to 75,000 USD per annum. For an Indian aspirant, this could convert into 30 to 62 lakh per annum. You could be thinking that this is a really large range, but there could be multiple reasons for this. For example, an MS in Data Science offered by MIT Sloan School of Management is officially pegged at USD 86,300. But thanks to its summer tuition subsidy, this cost comes down drastically to 64,300 USD for students enrolling in the spring term. Princeton's certificate program in statistics and machine learning is pegged similarly at 60,410 US dollars. Another factor impacting the cost would be the course duration. Since some universities like University of California, Massachusetts Institute of Technology offer a 1-year program, while others like University of Washington, Harvard University offer 1.5 to 2 years. The interesting thing to note here is that an MS in DS could come under the garb of multiple names as well as variations that make the program more suitable for different cohorts. For example, Master of Business Analytics, Graduate Certificate Program in Statistics and Machine Learning, Master of Science in Data Science, Master of Analytics, MS in Data Analytics for Science, and Master of Liberal Arts, Data Science. Therefore, check the university's official website before applying. Some other top universities that offer programs in this category include Carnegie Mellon, University of California, Berkeley, and University of Washington, with their fees ranging from 48,775 US dollars to 66,700 US dollars. Coming to what exactly you will learn in a course like this, students get to deep dive on machine learning, probabilistic learning, dynamic modeling, and data processing as their core subjects. They will also get hands-on computer languages like Python and R that are primarily used to analyze the data. Apart from this, students will get to work on capstone projects which will give them an opportunity to use their knowledge in the industry. Now for the most exciting part. What are you likely to start earning with a degree in MS in Data Science? There are a variety of roles that await a graduate of data science. This include business intelligence analyst, data engineer, and data scientist. According to pay scale, the salary for a data analyst can start at an average of 70,812 US dollars and can go up to an average of 87,768 US dollars for a senior data analyst. An average of 93,958 US dollars and go up to 118,481 US dollars. Let's see who's recruiting. The top names here include Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Netflix, and Apple that are keen to hire graduate with a degree in MS in Data Science. Apart from master's degree in Data Science, students interested in the field of data management and administration can also pursue MS in Data Analytics from USA. Now for a quick recap. The table on the screen shows what all we have discussed in this video. If this video helped you in solving your doubts about MS in Data Science in US, then please like and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Shiksha Study Abroad channel for more such videos.